Okay, this is a project I'm doing for one of my friends. I sold him this bike not too long ago.
Take my shirt off, dog.
He asked me to take it apart for him and primer it. So I'm gonna take most of the parts off, sand the frame down, leave it primered, and he's gonna paint it. I think some type of Dodger blue color. These are the parts that are gonna go on it. It's gonna become a trike, twisted springer fork, steering wheel. That's the old handlebars. Those are probably gonna go back on it.
Old dirty bastard.
Alright, I'll keep you guys posted.